Hello dear friends, come near, come stay, a sparkling tale begins today. The sky is bright, the breeze feels fast, Bluey runs quick, her joy will last. She skips along with paws so light, the sun beams warm, the clouds shine white. But whoosh, what's that, a streak of blue? A flash goes by, so quick, so true. The ground goes rumble, the air goes sing, Bluey just gasps at the sudden zing. She blinks her eyes, her tail stands high, Sonic appears with a happy cry. Hello, he grins, his shoes so red, Bluey just laughs at the words he said. They race together, their steps in tune, across wide fields, 'neath afternoon. The wind goes whoosh, the trees all sway, their giggles bounce through skies so gay. Sonic spins round, a circle bright, Bluey barks loud with pure delight. They dash past streams, they jump each stone, their laughter makes the hills all moan. The joy is strong, their speed a song, the race feels short though paths are long. Come run with us, come cheer, come stay, subscribe for fun in every way. Each tale we share brings light anew, and happy dreams we give to you. They pause at last by riverside, the water glows, both friends sit side. Bluey pants soft, her heart still quick, Sonic just smiles, his grin so slick. They share their hopes, of games and play, of sunny skies and bright new day. The calm drifts in, the air feels mild, their laughter fades to hum so wild. The stars peek out, the moon climbs high, owls call low, the night drifts by. Bluey lies down with tail curled tight, Sonic hums low a tune so light. Farewell dear friends, our joy feels near, we'll meet again with songs and cheer. Come back for play, adventures true, and Bluey loves you too.